मैं बलबीर कश्यप बीओकॉम बीआरसी राजौंद कैथल हरियाणा एक नई जानकारी के साथ आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं। क्या है जानकारी, जानते हैं। हरियाणा स्कूल शिक्षा परियोजना परिषद पंचकुला के माध्यम से ऑल डिस्ट्रिक्ट एजुकेशन ऑफिसर, ऑल डिस्ट्रिक्ट एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन ऑफिसर, ऑल डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रोजेक्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर ऑफ हरियाणा के नाम 30 अक्टूबर 2023 को ये पत्र जारी हुआ। विषय है इसका रिगार्डिंग क्रिएशन ऑफ ऑटोमेटेड परमानेंट एकेडमिक अकाउंट रजिस्ट्री APAAR ID of students. It is informed that Ministry of Education, Department of School Education and Literacy YDO number dated 11 October 2023 has intimated that to track the educational progress and achievement of students, a unique ID will be created for each student, which will help to achieve the objective of one nation, one student ID. This unique ID will be a lifelong and help in accessing the educational resource too. APAAR ID will be gateway for accessing the DigiLocker ecosystems that will allow students to digitally store all achievements of students like exam results, holistic report card, learning outcome besides other achievements of students, be it Olympiad, sports, skill training or any field. Student can use the credit score for their higher education or employment purpose in future. MOE will generate APAAR ID based on Aadhaar number of each student, for which separate consent of the parents is required. The data so collected will be kept confidentially and Aadhaar number will be masked while sharing the data with other government users. Therefore, all DOs, DWs, DPCs are requested to direct the school under the jurisdiction to get the consent of the parents, Annexure 1, by holding special PTM for 3 consecutive days during 2nd to 4th November 2023, and if of these days are school holidays, then the same may be held the next day. The use of APAAR ID is attached at Annexure 2 based on the consent. School will mark the students as consented yes or no on UDI's database while filling the datas. कंसेंट फॉर्म इफ़ चाइल्ड इज माइनर, तो उस सूरत में ये भरना है कंसेंट। आई सन ऑफ डॉटर ऑफ रेजिडेंस ऑफ एक्टिंग इन द कैपेसिटी ऑफ गार्जियन ऑफ नेम ऑफ माइनर चाइल्ड ऑब्लिक son of daughter name residence voluntary given my consent to share his her Aadhaar number and demographic information issued by UIDAI with Ministry of Education for the sole purpose of creation of APAR ID and for the following intents and purposes. I understand that my APAR number may be used and shared for limited purpose as may be notified by Ministry of Education from time to time for educational and related activity. Further, I am also aware that my personal identifiable information, name, address, age, date of birth, gender, and photograph may be made available to entities engaged in various educational activities such as UDICE Plus, database, scholarships, maintain academic records, other stakeholders like educational institutions and recruitment agencies. I authorize Ministry of Education to use my Aadhaar number for performing Aadhaar-based authentication with UIDAI as per provision of the Aadhaar Targeted Delivery of Financial and Other Subsidies, Benefits and Services Act 2016 for the aforesaid purpose. I understand that UIDAI will share my EKYV detail or response of yes with Ministry of Education upon successful authentication. I understand that the information shared by me through consent shall be kept as confidential information and the secrecy of the same shall be maintained, and this information shall not be divulged at any time to any third party except as may be compelled by any court of agency or competent jurisdiction or as otherwise required by law, and shall also ensure that same is not disclosed to any person voluntarily, accidentally, or by mistake. I understand that I can withdraw my consent to all or any purpose at any time by and on withdrawal of my consent, the processing of my shared information will stop. However, any personal data already been processed shall remain unaffected on such withdrawal of consent. तो ये जो एनेक्सर एक है वो था जो कि पेरेंट्स उसके लिए जो कि माइनर है स्टूडेंट, और ये एनेक्सर दूसरा है कंसेंट फॉर्म है। दोनों ही तकरीबन सेम है, कुछ उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं है। तो ये आपको एक भरन के स्कूल को पेरेंट्स के द्वारा दिया जाना है और स्कूल इसको रिकॉर्ड में अपने उस वक्त रखे। दोनों फॉर्म में एक है, दोनों फॉर्म पे सिग्नेचर लेने ज़रूरी है पेरेंट्स के। अब आ जाता है यूज ऑफ अपार आईडी फॉर स्टूडेंट, पेरेंट्स एंड स्कूल की क्या भूमिका रहेंगी। अपार आईडी विल बी यूनिक नेचर एंड विल वर्क एज वन नेशन वन स्टूडेंट आईडी गिविंग आइडेंटिफाई टू स्टूडेंट्स अक्रॉस ऑल यूज पर्पज एंड विल बी ईजी for transfer of students from one school to other school, oblique state, etc. It will empower students with their own ID. This unique ID will be lifelong and help in accessing the educational resources too. APAR ID will be useful for tracking educational progress and achievement of students. APAR ID will be useful for monitoring the dropout student and maintaining mainstreaming them. APAR ID will be gateway for accessing DigiLocker ecosystem, which will store digitally all achievement of students like exam result, holistic report card, health card, learning outcomes beside other achievements of the students, be it Olympiad, sports skill training or any other field. Student can use the credit score for their higher education or employment purpose in future. APAR ID will also be used for multiple use cases, that is entrance tests conducted by NTA, admissions, scholarship disbursement, transfer of government benefit, issues of awards, recognition, etc. for students, teacher and other users. तो ये जानकारी थी अपार आईडी से रिलेटेड। आशा करता हूँ ये आपको अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ गई होगी, और इसी प्रकार से आप इस लेटर के अकॉर्डिंग सभी जो स्कूल के मुखिया हैं उनसे अनुरोध है कि वो समय पर इस काम को करना सुनिश्चित करें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।